Um, have you ever wondered what it takes to bring a beloved TV show like Baywatch to streaming platforms? It's not as simple as pressing a button and watching lifeguards run in slow motion. Um, there's a lot more to it, and the journey is much more extensive than you might think. Um, Before Baywatch could grace streaming services, Fremantle had a big challenge ahead. Bob McCourt, the chief operating officer at Fremantle, revealed that one of the first hurdles was upgrading the classic series to high definition. Uh, this was no small task. The original episodes aired in the late 80s and 90s were in standard definition on to give fans a modern viewing experience. The entire series had to be painstakingly remastered. And then came the next challenge: music rights. Uh, Anyone who's ever tried to get the rights for a single song knows how tricky it can be. Now imagine negotiating for 400 songs that span over 250 hours of TV content. It's a massive undertaking, but for Fremantle, it was a gamble worth, you know, taking. Um, the the costs were hefty, but ultimately they made sure the iconic tunes remained, including the unforgettable Beach Boys hits. While securing music rights was a monumental task, the payoff has been impressive. Uh, with streaming deals with giants like Amazon and Hulu, along with broadcast agreements in countries like Germany and France, Baywatch has continued to reach global audiences. Uh, McCourt, a cinephile himself, reflected on how this decision, though risky, paid off tremendously in the end. Um, but let's not forget the legacy of the show. Baywatch wasn't just about dramatic rescues and sun-kissed beaches. Um, it introduced us to stars like Pamela Anderson, Donna D'Errico, and Carmen Electra, who became household names. The show even had a second life after being canceled by NBC. Syndication turned Baywatch into a global phenomenon that ran for another 10 seasons. These days, Fremantle's working on bringing the Baywatch magic back, with talks of a potential reboot in the works. However, is it not everyone's on board. Um, um, Pamela Anderson has made it clear she's not interested in reprising her role as the iconic CJ Parker. Still, some of the original cast, like Nicole Eggert, are leaving the door open for a possible return. So while we wait to see what happens with the reboot, we can still enjoy the original Baywatch series on streaming platforms. It's comforting to know that thanks to Fremantle's dedication to preserving the show, future generations can experience the lifeguards of Baywatch running in slow motion and making their way through life, both in and out of the water. And before I sign off, here's a little joke for you. Why don't lifeguards ever play poker? Because they're always too busy checking for bluffing. And it, it uh, with that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, outside higher,